So we are going to learn how to insert and delete columns and rows in Excel. So starting with how to insert a row column via mouse function. Let's assume a situation where we want to add May 2023. So I'll come select the total column, and this is, remember we said how to highlight a column is like this. You go to the column letter and just click on it. It's going to highlight the whole column. So by mouse function, go to the same highlight and right click, go to insert, and that's it. Excel is intelligent enough to know you have highlighted the column. That means you want to add a column, and take heed of how it adds columns. It adds a column to the left of what you highlighted. If I undo this, go back, see, watch where it inserts the column. It inserts to the left. So if you want to insert May 2023, you go to total, insert it from there. If you want to insert one between March and April, you don't go to March, you go to April and then click on insert. It will add one between those two. Going to undo because I don't want to add that. For us it's the same, just highlight the row, right click, go to insert. It is going to add a row. Okay, for us it's going to insert on top. For columns it's going to insert on the left. Remember that because it determines where your column or row is going to be inserted. I'm going to do that. The other way is by using keyboard shortcuts. So if I select this column and I do command shift plus, it's going to add the column. In Windows it's control shift and plus, which is this, plus in French, plus, like this on the keyboard. It's going to add that. The way to remove it, and this is the same for columns, so highlight that column, the row, control shift plus, it's going to add the row. The way to remove the row is highlight it, then control shift minus. Okay, control shift minus, sorry, there's something here, highlight, command shift minus, delete. Okay, I'm wondering why it's not doing the minus one for me, or it's control minus. Let me see. Yeah, so sorry about that. So control shift plus. If I want to remove, it's control or command then minus key. Okay, because if you put shift you're doing underscores, you're not going to do minus. Okay, so that's how to remove one of the column that you've added. If you want to remove via mouse function, is just highlight it and delete it. Okay, that's by using the mouse. So we've learned two ways. One is by use of a mouse and the other one is by keyboard shortcut. Command plus, command shift plus to add, command minus to remove, or the mouse function of just right click, insert, or right click and delete. Remember, for columns, the insert to the left of what you've highlighted. For rows, it is on top of what you have selected. See you in the next video where we are going to talk about adjusting cell height and width. Apologies, I don't have anything to deal with hell. See you then. Bye.